Hello, my dear students. Myself, Mrs. Sapna from St. Mary High School, Jogeshwari East. Students, can you see these birds on your screen? Yes, this is sparrow, peacock, and pigeon. We all are familiar with these birds. Today, we will learn more about birds, some different kinds of birds. So, our today's topic is amazing birds. First, we will learn something about penguins. My dear students, penguins are flightless. That means they cannot fly. They are seabirds that live almost exclusively below the equator. While penguins can't fly, their stiff flippers, webbed feet, and slick shape make them expert swimmers. In fact, they spend most of their lives in the ocean and do nearly all their huntings for krill, squid, and crabs underwater. This bird flies underwater. Our next bird is albatross. These feathered giants have the longest wingspan of any bird, up to 11 feet. The wandering albatross is the biggest of some 24 different species. Albatrosses use their formidable wingspans to ride the ocean winds and sometimes to glide for hours without rest or even flap of their wings. Our next bird is ovenbird. Ovenbird is songbird that belongs to the family of New World warblers. It spends most of its life on the forest floor. This bird builds nest which is shaped in oven, so it is called as oven bird. Our next bird is weaver bird. Weaver bird, any of several species of short-billed, often yellow and black, finch-like birds that weave complex nests from grass and leaves. The weaver birds are gregarious insect eaters of hot, dry areas. It is a bird which makes a large nest by weaving blades of grass together. Remember, students, this weaver bird stitch, or you can say it weaves the blades of grass. These makes the nest with the help of grass. Now, our next bird is tailor bird. Tailor birds are small birds. They get their name from the way their nest is constructed. A tailor bird is defined as a bird which makes a nest using its sharp beak as a needle to sew. Next bird is swift. You can see this bird in the picture. The swift is a medium-sized aerial bird which is a superb flyer. It even sleeps on the wing. It has long, sheath-like wings and a short forked tail. It is the fastest bird. Our next bird is ostrich. Let's learn about ostrich. The ostrich is a large flightless bird. Flightless means they cannot fly higher in the air. They are the biggest living bird species and have the biggest eggs of all living birds. They do not fly but can run faster than any other bird. Ostriches have the biggest eyes of all land animals. My dear students, you all are familiar with this bird? Yes, this is owl. Owls are animals in the order Strigiformes. There are 200 species and they are all animals of prey. Owls are specialists at night time hunting animals. They are also defined as a bird which can see clearly at night. That means their visions are more clear at night. Then next bird is hummingbird. You can see the hummingbird in the picture. Hummingbirds are amongst the smallest of birds. They can hover in mid-air by rapidly flapping their wings 12 to 80 times per second. They are also the only group of birds able to fly backwards. And then the last bird is bustard. Bustards are large terrestrial birds living mainly in dry grassland areas and on the steppes of the old world. They are the world's heaviest bird. So my dear students, today we learned about birds and their specification. That means new information regarding birds. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.